Hello Madrid Nation! This is Michael Monterico and welcome sa panibagong episode ng Madrid Tips. Today, I would like to share with you tips on how to improve your workday by Neil Henson. Number 1, get a healthy breakfast. Don't go for the leftover cake with milk for breakfast. Siguraduhin na healthy ang kinain mo ng umaga. Laging tandaan, it is important to start the day right. And how do you start the day right? By eating nutritious food. Number 2, leave for work a little early. Pumasok ng maaga para maiwasan mo ang traffic that can cause you additional stress. And also, makakapagplano ka ng mas maayos sa mga bagay na dapat mong ma-accomplish for the day. Number 3, develop friendship at work. People need friendship. Make friends at work. Because you'll be spending too much time of your life working. Some companies are getting smarter and have learned that happy workers are better workers. Number 4, set goals. Be engaged in self-improvement. Life gets boring if you stay in the same place all the time. Set goals for the day and explore. Number 5, make a choice. After all, nakadepende pa rin sa'yo yung magiging takbo ng araw mo. So choose to be happy. Smile when you walk in. Smile at your coworkers, your boss. Smile at everyone. Choose to be the one who smiles. And that's it for our Madrid tips of the day. For more Madrid exclusive videos, please click the link below and follow us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/MadridPH and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Madrid Philippines. Bye-bye!